Re-inspection September 5th, 1970 Camaro down in Milford, Michigan. Just put air conditioning in this car apparently, and added a aluminum radiator and dual electric fans. Digital gauges, that's all from the previous inspection slash review of the car a month ago. Car's cold right now. Good oil pressure. Gas gauge is working. Voltage is charging. Engine's idling down when I turn the AC on. Let's check that out. Had a red light flashing here. I'm not sure what that's about. Pull up to the building. Starting to cool down a little bit. All the vents seem to be blowing. I'll shut this down here shortly and go get my digital temp gauge and take a few photos of the temperature as it drops, but it's definitely getting cooler as expected. Door hinge latch has been replaced. That was not operating properly last time I was here. Door closes nice. To recap, this is a re-inspection video of a 1970 Camaro for a purchaser, a pre-purchaser that bought it out of state and then had some additional work done to the car, including aftermarket aluminum radiator, dual electric fan setup, aftermarket vintage AC, all new AC lines, relay. This car is AC only, no heat. AC belt can stand to be tightened up just a little bit. I'll point that out to him. Electric fans are already on. I don't know if they're tapped into a switch or relayed on. To pose that question as well. Air conditioning is definitely blowing cold. Car's a little dusty, needs to be cleaned back up.